In less than 2 decades, a company that once made a phone batteries now dominate in the electric vehicle market, beating Tesla in China, expanding in 70 plus countries, and reshaping the future of mobility. This is unbelievable rise of BYD. Build your dreams. I'm Janson from Devs Code, and today we're diving into one of the most exciting success stories in the electric vehicle world, how BYD became a global giant. Founded in 1995 by Wang Chuangfu in Shenzhen, BYD started not with the cars, but with the cell phone batteries in brands like Nokia and Motorola. Then he dedicated his life to science, eventually launching BYD with just 2.5 million yuan and 20 employees. But his strongest move came in 2003 when he acquired the failing automaker and dived into the car industry. Most called him crazy. BYD launched its first plug-in hybrid in 2008 and its first electric car, the E6, in 2010. By 2022, it stopped making gas-only cars altogether. Why? Because BYD bet everything on EVs, and it paid off. How did BYD become so successful? Over the past few years, BYD, a Chinese electric vehicle company, has grown into one of the most successful car makers. So what helped BYD grow so fast and beat major car brands across the globe? Let's take a closer look at their winning formula. First, leading with battery technology. One of BYD's biggest strengths is its advanced battery technology. In fact, BYD stands for Build Your Dreams. And that's exactly what they have been doing. They created a special battery called the Blade battery, which is safer, longer lasting, and more affordable than regular batteries used by many other car makers. Because of this innovation, BYD sold over 3 million new energy vehicles in 2023, becoming the world's largest electric car company by volume. This shows how much people trust their technology and are choosing cleaner, electric options. And BYD is leading the charge. Second, making their own parts. BYD is different from many other automakers because it builds most of its own parts. This is called vertical integration. While other companies buy parts from many suppliers, BYD makes its own batteries, chips, electric motors, and even lithium mines. This means they control the quality of their vehicles, can keep costs low, don't suffer as much during global supply chain issues. Third, affordable cars for everyone. BYD took a different path. They focused on affordability. Even though they offer lower prices, BYD remains profitable, which is rare in the EV world. This is possible because their cost to make a battery is around $6,000 per car, compared to $13,000 for American brands like Ford and GM. 4. Expanding around the world. BYD didn't just stop at selling cars in China. They are now in over 16 countries, including Australia, Europe, South America, and more. They study what each country needs and adapt their products to fit. For example, in Australia, their Atto 3 model is very popular because it's affordable and still packed with useful features. It's helping more Australians switch to electric vehicles. 5. Innovation beyond cars. BYD isn't just making electric cars. They're helping shape the future of energy. One of their new exciting features is called V2G, which stands for Vehicle to Grid. This means the car can send electricity back to a power grid when needed. This not only saves money, but also helps us use more renewable energy like solar or wind. BYD has already tested this technology successfully and is one of the first car makers to include it in their vehicles. While V2G is still new in places like Australia, BYD is ready to make it happen. 6. Financial growth and strong business strategy. BYD's financial numbers shows how strong company really is. In 2023, they made over $67 billion in revenue, with a gross profit margin of 23%. Their automotive sales made up over 80% of their total income. This success comes from smart choices, investing in research and development, building strong manufacturing system, expanding into many vehicle types from passenger cars to buses and trucks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more stories about tech, business and innovation.